today's quick tip is just a reminder. Yes, just to remind you and me. Yes, me, because I forgot all about it and now it's dirty. Okay, let me tell you. Water bottles, yes, they get dirty. And an easy way to see how dirty it is, I know when it's very dirty, you just look at it and okay, dirty. Because sometimes you look at it and you know it's fine, and you have a quick look, okay, that's fine. But if you look against a bright light, ooh, dirty. And an easy way to clean it is to get, you know, those chemicals that you buy, like the sprays that you buy to clean inside of a shower, you know, a box shower. When you spray them, they take out like the grease, the dirt out. So those are the best ones to clean it. See how dirty it is? Terrible, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, to clean it, I have a whole video about it. Just check it out. Click there if you want to clean it. I show you how to undo this whole thing to clean very clean. And keep safe, keep riding. If you did like this tip, thumbs up. And let me tell you one thing. The longer videos, the videos that I have a lot of time to editing, you know, I post them on Saturdays. But the quick tips, they come whenever they come, you know, when I remember something. Like in this case, I didn't remember. When I look at it, I said, oh, time to clean it. Hope you like it. Bye-bye. Oh, subscribe. Yes, because when you click the subscribe button, next to it will be a little bell, you know, and to be notified about those quick tips, the videos, you know, everything, you need to click on the little bell. Bye-bye.